예전보다 총이 더 강했던 19세기 후반 서부 개척 시대, 학살이 난무하던 이때 오늘도 한 사람이 죽을 위기에 처했고
It's God's will that I stand here today.
총잡이로 명성이 자자한 주인공 브릭스는 이들에게 고용되어 있었죠.
Keep a sharp eye out for the brother. Boss thinks he might try
To
some.
grow my interests in this community. Now I know that many of you do not.
Jim, you're going home now. You hear me, son?
You understand what's happening here today?
You go home. Go.
그 순간
Let him hang.
It's the doc. You owe me more.
You okay?
You killed my brother, you son of a...
이것이 바로 모든 것의 시작이었습니다. 그로부터 20년의 시간이 흘렀고 무법시대가 지나 이제는 법이 사람들을 심판하는 세상이 되었죠.
Gonna help me or just keep watching?
I like watching you.
브릭스도 총잡이 생활은 접고 이제는 사랑하는 가족들과 함께 지내고 있었고
Like when I do things for our daughter.
You're a good mother.
Thank you. Hurry today and walk our daughter to school. Brooke, you need to hurry. Your father's walking you to school today. You and your father could use a little walk together anyway.
We should have taken the horse.
No.
No classes today as Miss Valerie has taken ill.
You need to walk home now. I have to open the store.
Mama won't like it if you made me walk home alone.
결국 브룩을 가게에 함께 데려왔고
Sit there and finish your studies.
그렇게 부녀간에 시간을 함께 보내는 동안
How can I help you?
My name is James McAllister. My companion's been on the road for several days now. It's, boots there, up by the road. Behind you. Well, that's Big Mike. Was there? Nope.
무언가 불길한 기운이 감돌았고
Happily point you in the direction of town. Saloon's in a hot bath house with a brand new shower.
And it's so he might even be able to show you the way himself.
He should be along any moment.
Walking to the little girl. We certainly live in a new age.
Open up, Missy.
Madam, ain't no sense running off and hiding.
That Marshall can't be too far behind.
Just want to talk. Go on, go get her. And I'm gonna put that on you. You did not do me the same honor, did you?
You'll get no honor from me.
Is your husband Nee?
Colton Briggs.
Boys are in a world of hurt.
This is Colton Briggs's place?
He was just quiet.
You hit me, shot his horse. You boys have woke up the dead.
I absolutely know who you are. I'm on my bed.
That'll do. It's time to head home.
시간이 한참 흘러서야 브릭스는 집으로 출발했고
Hey, Marshal. Better come on out here.
Who are those men?
What do we got here? Family?
Been away when those fellas came through.
A bit of luck, finally.
This you folks home?
My name is U.S. Marshal Franklin Jarrett.
Where's Ruth?
그런데 이 보안관은 브릭스를 알아보죠.
Briggs? Well, holy shit, man. You have a family? Well, that is a good thing. Good.
Marshall?
I'm sorry, Briggs, but we need to talk.
결국 브릭스는 아내가 사망했다는 소식을 전해 들었고
Says he don't want our help. Says we should have been better at our jobs.
I had Smiley heat up some of that condensed milk. I did know your daddy. You meet a lot of people in this business, not your daddy. Your daddy was about the meanest son of a bitch I ever met. Just the way he would look at you, just like he was looking through you. Your daddy was a violent man. I can't say he was a criminal. Was not what I would call a good man.
Why are you telling me this?
How good a woman your mama was. And she turned him into a family man. That was a good thing your mama done.
Is my father still a good man?
There's something you should know. Probably pretty happy leaving that just right where it is. She just lost her mama. She needs her father now. That little girl needs the man that she knows. This here land is now part of a new country. That ain't the world anymore. I will find those murderous sons of bitches. I promise that to you. There's no room for vengeance in your life.
그렇게 보안관들이 떠나고 결국 그는 과거 악명 높던 시절로 돌아가기로 결심합니다.
Get Get dressed. We leave in 15 minutes. Yeah, they killed mine.
If we're gonna catch up with those men, we're gonna need another horse. Why did we burn the old ones?
Because we're not going back. As soon as I finish what I have to do, we'll find it. Give me the belt.
You gonna whip me?
You can sleep for 30 minutes, not longer.
Aren't those men getting further away?
It's any good if we get there dead tired. We need to be ready to kill them, because they'll be meaning to kill us.
한편 보안관들도 제임스를 쫓고 있었고
That seems strange to you. That little girl last night. She's sitting there right next to the body, not a tear on her face.
Well, she's probably just shocked from the news.
그 순간 제임스 무리가 산 위에서 보안관들을 급습했고
That one's the shooter. Shit.
What do we do?
You see Briggs?
브릭스가 없는 걸 확인하자 제임스는 일단 퇴각합니다.
I heard gunshots coming from across the canyon. No reason to hurry. They have a nasty habit of slowing other folks down. We'll find out what happened soon enough.
What's going on?
There's a rider coming. Either way, we need his horse.
Can't you think of another way to stop him?
Cry. Make him feel sorry for you.
I don't know how.
What'd you just say?
I don't know how to cry.
People in this world expect you to act like they do. Then you're gonna have to figure out how to act like. Wah, wah.
Where?
You'll have to do. Keep it up.
Where?
What are you getting at?
You're getting off that horse.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot! It's me. Where's your horse? What the hell?
Fetch that Rossi and bring it here.
I will blow this little girl's brains all over this valley.
I'll pull the trigger right now.
I'm gonna try to do it like him next time.
Listen to me, Briggs. I understand that you're under a lot of pressure, but you are about to cross a line that you can't get back
By
from.
not telling me what I want to know.
You're asking me to participate in murder.
브릭스는 보안관의 부하들을 인질로 협박했고
James McAllister.
결국 제임스에 대한 정보를 들을 수 있었습니다.
And they're headed to Colorado. And that's all I know about it. I swear it.
Bring me the iron. Burn it with the iron or it'll bleed out soon.
Smells like Mama's rabbit chops. Makes me hungry.
But these men are not walking out of this canyon. And there's no James McAllister. How many men you bring back with you, I will kill you first. Taking your guns and your horse. I'll leave your horse tied up in Santa Rosa.
Justice will catch you.
그 시각 제임스 무리는 작전 회의 중이었고
What about this Briggs fella?
Yeah, we're gonna have to figure that out.
We don't know how far behind us Briggs might be.
And how do we hunt him down?
Briggs is hunting us.
What do we need that for?
It's good firewood.
It belongs to someone.
Nothing belongs to the dead. Once they're put in the ground, they have all they need.
제임스 무리는 어느 마을에 들어섰고
I need you boys to set a guard at the edge of town, all right?
Briggs gets here, you're no use to me.
Understand?
You better come and relieve me in 4 hours.
The marshal said you used to kill people. Is it true?
Yes.
그날 밤 부녀간의 대화를 통해 그동안 이들의 감정선이 남들과는 다른 점이 밝혀지는데요.
My entire life, even as a boy, I knew. My mother always said I didn't cry. I didn't laugh. The kids would play games and joke with each other. They got pretty good at pretending. That's when I realized I had never known.
사실 브릭스는 사이코패스였고
It was as if I'd been born dead.
How did Mama change that?
And in that first moment I saw her, I felt something. Fear. Fear I couldn't make her my wife. Fear of losing her. She was the only thing I ever feared and the only thing I ever
When
loved.
they told me Mama was dead, I didn't know how to feel. Is that how you felt?
I felt pain.
Do you still feel like that? It was as if I died. Like I was lost. It felt like I would never find my way back to those things. Do you know the man who killed Mama? James McAllister. Can you teach me how to shoot?
부녀 모두 사이코패스였지만 둘 모두 루스의 죽음에 대한 분노를 느끼고 있었습니다.
The barrel drifts right above your target, so your breath ends just as you line up your shot hand. Let's try it again. What's wrong?
Can I try the pistol?
Remember to squeeze, don't pull.
어느새 제임스가 있는 마을 앞에 도착한 브릭스.
They're down there, they'll be watching everyone who comes in. They left a message in the barn. If they know me, it'll give them the edge.
Do you think they'll know me?
You've been sent on an errand from your parents' farm up the road.
부르기 먼저 정찰을 나서게 되었고
Head straight for the mercantile. Any riders had come through town.
Can I help you, young lady?
Pardon my manners, you must have caught my daydream.
그런데 예상과 달리 제임스 무리는 부룩을 알아봤고
This little girl you seen, Boots?
잡화점을 나오자 곧바로 부룩을 포위했습니다.
Where you at?
One this here is my little sister.
Still no sign of him.
He'll be around soon enough, I expect daughter of Colton Briggs ain't scared of nothing. You boys hang out sign outside like I asked? Why don't you set up at the other end of town? It's important he gets to the middle of town and sees our invitation.
Boss is expecting Briggs anytime. I want to wake your ass up. Supposed to let him get into town before we kill him.
Ain't you scared to eat? Why ain't you touch your food yet?
Probably poison.
You see this? Reckon it's some kind of sin to poison your kin.
We ain't kin.
You and I are most certainly kin in almost all respects.
You're a liar.
There was another man who had the honors of my physical birth.
제임스는 인트로에서 아버지를 잃었던 그 소년이었고
He took him away from me, right there in front of me. And you know what your daddy did? He stared right back at me. He got on his horse, he rode away. A piece of himself buried deep inside of me, like a seed. I got a monster inside of me, devil himself. Both these devils can't exist at the same time.
But don't worry, my father will be here soon. He'll fix that.
드디어 브릭스가 움직이기 시작했고 제임스의 부하는 재빨리 건물로 숨는데 브릭스는 순식간에 적을 처리해버렸죠.
Let's go see Paul. Walk.
He went down that alley, behind these buildings. Go!
I got it. He's holed up in that building over there by the house.
이번 전투를 위해 용병까지 고용한 제임스.
Now, the villain that killed your buddy's inside. Why don't you go in there and get him? Briggs, I'm calling you out. Let's do this the old way.
I swear to God, I'll kill this little girl.
Hello, handsome. Remember me?
No.
Get your hands up.
You really don't remember me. I gotta say, hurts my feelings. The important thing is, I remember you.
Don't worry. I'm okay.
Every time I close my eyes, I see your face, the noises my daddy made as he died. I mean, that's why we're here. We're just one big happy family. Pull a bullet in my head just like you did my daddy. Eustace here, he's gonna blow your little girl's head off. Watch your little girl die, or save your daughter, and watch me take your place.
Brooke, see that I'm tended to. I love you.
I did it! You hear that, Daddy? I killed him. You're the monster.
Your mother tell you what to do.
You alive? More or less what I expected. Round up the bodies and let's get them back. Bring you in for what you and your daddy did. But I suppose the judge would just say that you were following your daddy, even though you and I both know that ain't quite true.
Found a strongbox in the saloon, Marshal.
And then I considered telling them that you and your daddy, so I figure since the outcomes in both those scenarios are the... And maybe in that version we can forget all about
My
that.
daddy gets to be a hero.
In exchange for your discretion.
Did you find your horse?
Tied up at the edge of town.
Just like he said.
Take care of your daddy's store.
Yeah. You're gonna be a hero. Mama would be so proud. Why don't you fetch me my brother's saddlebag from inside the saloon?
드디어 부르기 눈물 연기를 완벽히 성공하며 영화는 막을 내립니다.
All units, code 3 pursuit, backup immediately. Shots fired, shots fired.
대낮에 발생한 도로 위 무장강도 사건. 긴급한 상황 속 낮잠을 자고 있는 한 남자가 있습니다.
Hancock!
What, boy?
Bad guys?
Randomly on the freeway.
Asshole?
What?
You heard me?
노숙자처럼 보이는 이 남자의 이름은 헨콕. 사실 그는 초능력자였습니다. 하지만 그는 늘 술에 찌들어 살았고 총에 맞아도 끄떡없는 강인한 신체 능력을 가지고 있었죠.
On their way, there's just chaos here on the 105.
Initial
damage estimates are said to top for the notoriously publicity-shy.
This guy would just leave. Get on without job.
핸콕은 늘 사람들을 구했고 악한 자들을 처벌했으나 늘 술에 취해 있어서 주변을 쑥대밭으로 만들기에 시민들은 그가 히어로가 아닌 사회의 악이라 생각했습니다.
Sir, Ray Embry. Ray's like the Bono of PR.
I'm here to talk to you about charitable. You get an armband or wristband or a ribbon or the All Heart symbol. To bear this logo on your product has made a radical contribution. Your new TB drug, Mycodin, give that product away.
Did you say free?
I did.
여기 레이의 직업은 대중의 인식을 전문적으로 관리하는 PR이었고
We can save the world. What do you say?
Are you a crackpot?
그는 세상을 더 아름답게 만들고 싶은 열혈 이상주의자였죠.
I think I made a connection. Need some spaghetti madness. I'll see you in about.
그런데 돌아가는 길 그는 위험에 처하게 되고 설상가상 안전벨트까지 고장나버린 그 순간 다행히 핸콕이 레이의 목숨을 구하는 데 성공하지만 이번에도 주변은 난장판이 되어 있었죠.
You're the one that threw the dude's car at her.
Straight up in the air with the car. And I can smell that liquor.
핸콕은 오히려 큰 비난을 받게 되는데
Superhero you are. Shut up.
핸콕 덕에 목숨을 지킨 레이가 그를 옹호합니다.
Thank you very much, Hancock. You're not flying by the valley, are you?
Dad?
Hey, buddy. I want you to meet somebody. Who is this?
Hancock.
You would not have believed it. She saved my life. This is my wife, Mary.
이곳에서 레이의 아내 메리를 만나게 되고
Hancock, you eat? Yes, human food? I'm not even gonna take no for an answer. Get inside the house.
레이는 핸콕에게 식사를 대접합니다.
Started spaghetti madness about 2 years ago. That bully Michael?
Michelle. No, what girl's name?
Guess I never turned that one. Bring it right up, catch him in his little piss pump.
Okay, please, just stop. Not everything has to be bang, scream.
Sometimes it gets to be a little too much.
Thanks for coming on in. Good, right?
Hey,
Do you know what I do for a living? I'm in public relations, products, companies, people, and all that stuff. People, don't get me wrong, they should love you. And I want to deliver that for you.
The hell are you pricks looking at?
Oh, no, shh, no, they're not. They're right there. You get back to me, I'll be right here.
하지만 메리는 핸콕에 대한 반감이 심해 보였는데
They really hate him.
Look at the news. You can see what he does. You see the good in everybody, Ray. I know this kind of guy. He breaks things.
외딴 곳에서 홀로 외로이 생활 중인 핸콕. 그는 레이가 준 명함을 다시 꺼내봅니다.
Using that soul.
What's your name, boy?
Michelle.
You know Aaron just want to ask you to lay off.
Why asshole?
That's not my name.
Asshole.
Call me an asshole one more time.
Hancock! Son of a gun, I knew you'd...
I'll meet you in the house. Stop crying, punk ass. Go ahead.
Really not okay. This is some of the stuff we're going to work on.
Just gonna make those problems of the past.
To interface with the public. Surprisingly large amount of not great stuff on you. Now, everybody loves a nutty buddy. I get it. But this doesn't work, sir. All right? How about this? Gray whale. Everybody remembers him. You're an asshole. I know. I call it like I see it.
Be careful.
Come on. Really? It's the middle of the day. That deep down you behave badly because... And they reject you, and so you reject them back.
Almost.
메리는 핸콕에 관한 뉴스를 들었고
But no regard for anyone but yourself. Anybody else would be held in contempt. Bank on it, buddy.
Things just got real, and this is exactly what we need.
그런데 레이는 핸콕이 감옥에 가는 것이 기회라 말하죠.
2 weeks. The public will be clamoring for you. What do you got to lose?
마음 먹으면 탈출이 가능한 핸콕은 레이의 말에 따르기로 했고
I apologize to the people of Los Angeles. During my incarceration, I will be alcohol and anger management.
그렇게 교도소로 오게 된 핸콕. 이곳엔 자신이 잡은 범죄자들이 매우 많이 있었죠.
Oh, I get it. I put some, I can understand you feeling some kind of way about that. I don't want no trouble. Excuse me, please. You don't move, your head is going up his ass. Shoot you, asshole.
Did you shove a man's head up another man's? The DA's office wants your sentence to run 8 years.
You said they want me to spend 8 years in this shit.
And with the crime rate going up, they're gonna ask you, where are you going? Sit down. Hey, let him pass. Coward! Trust me, trust this plan, this process. Just stay in here.
How are we gonna do that, Ray?
I think I might have had a little bit of a sitting there, and I'm staring at myself in the mirror.
Let's move on. Mr. Hancock, do you want to share today?
Pass.
시간이 지날수록 소수의 사람들은 행콕을 찾기 시작합니다.
Run by gangs and drug dealers. Hancock is the only guy who makes them shake.
True to his word, Hancock remains incarcerated. The last 5 days, Hancock has been behind bars.
Impression, it's your superhero handshake. So you've used the door, and the building's still intact. Let me hear you say it. Let me hear you say, good job.
Pass.
Good job.
얼마 후 메리와 에런이 행콕을 찾아왔고
Aaron really wanted to come and see you. Spaghetti madness.
Look at that. That's a good meatball.
Thanks, Hancock.
Ray is a good man. Whatever this is you're doing, don't let him down. Okay, well, we should probably go, buddy.
여전히 행콕을 찾는 사람들은 소수일 뿐이었는데 그러던 어느 날 레이는 행콕에게 선물을 하나 가져옵니다.
For when they call. I ain't wearing that, Ray.
Yes, you are.
I will fight crime, butt ass naked.
This is a uniform. A uniform represents purpose.
Nobody out there is missing me, Ray.
Just be patient. You gotta trust me on this.
어느 날 농구공이 교도소 밖으로 나가는 일이 생겼는데 이젠 이들의 말에 대항하지 않고 조용히 공을 가져오는 행콕.
Try it. Let it out.
Come on, John.
Come on. Do it. Hancock, I drink and stuff.
그의 불같은 성격이 조금은 진정되었을 무렵
Hey, Hancock, it's the chief of police. He says he needs your help.
드디어 그는 공식적인 도움을 요청받게 됩니다. 테러리스트들에 의해 한 경관이 고립되어 있었고 인질들은 폭탄에 묶인 채 사로잡혀 있었죠.
West side is open.
Don't break the building, don't break the building. It's a little tight. What you got?
It's pinned down and we can't get to it. They got some kind of heavy artillery. Caliber or bigger.
Good job.
Good job! It's not sexual! You're actually a very attractive woman and
Hancock, good job. I need you to end this now.
secure the perimeter!
행콕이 움직일 때마다 테러리스트들이 한 명씩 사라졌고
I heard you was in the slammer.
Out early.
8 pounds of C4 strapped to each and every one of them.
남은 테러리스트가 폭탄으로 행콕을 위협하는데
Up this entire building, you asshole.
Really don't like that word.
Do you hear me, asshole?
One more time. Good job.
No, you good job.
이번 사건 이후로 그의 이미지는 완전히 달라졌고
Hi to your fans. Look what you got. Smile. Did you guys get used to this or what?
How'd you two meet?
알고 보니 레이는 재혼이었고 첫 번째 아내는 아들 에런을 낳다 세상을 떠나고 말았죠.
An angel sees me. I think that day you really put my life back together. What about you, buddy? You're from another planet.
Nope. Woke up in a hospital. First thing I remember.
Come on.
Yeah, my skull was fractured. And when I woke up, I was chained. I couldn't tell them. I don't know who I am.
Amnesia.
You don't remember anything.
Only thing I had in my pocket was Boris Karloff, Frankenstein. It's probably in the papers 80 years ago. What kind of bastard must I have? Nobody was there to claim, so I've been told. But nobody?
행콕은 늙지 않는 몸을 가지고 있었고 그날 밤 취한 레이를 집에 데려다 주었습니다.
Listen to me. This is important. Because I believe in you. You know, you're gonna fix everything. Hancock, tucking me in.
He's asleep.
그런데 둘의 분위기가 심상치 않았고
You have a bruise on your head? You should go. Getting late. If Ray finds out about me, you're dead.
갑자기 이게 무슨 일일까요?
Breakfast?
Hancock sneezed. He told me he was gonna sneeze a hole through the front of the...
Enjoy that breakfast.
Knock, knock. Yeah, sometimes when there's dust.
Mike, how you doing?
Well,
Right. No, I know.
I am warning. Fine. We'll talk. Okay?
My place at 4 o'clock.
Whatever.
That's good with me. I will see you then. All right.
한편 교도소에서는 행콕에게 복수하길 원하는 자들이 있었고
He hurt you, didn't he? Sore. And no one will give you your power back. You have to go out.
We're gonna go find Hancock, get your power back.
처음으로 자신과 같은 힘을 가진 자를 본 행콕.
We're the same.
No, I'm stronger.
Who are we?
Different cultures call us by different names. Just the two of us.
Who are we to each other?
We're brother and sister.
That's a lie.
Sisters don't kiss brothers the way you kissed me last night.
Stay away from me and my family. I have put up with your bullshit for the last
Look at me! I don't know what you're talking about!
메리는 행콕에게 매우 화가 나 있는 듯 보였고 그녀는 초인적인 힘을 발휘합니다.
Listen to me. Whatever I am, whatever I did, look at me. I'm sorry.
이 장면을 레이 또한 목격하게 되고
you were flying.
And I'm very strong.
메리는 이제서야 진실에 대해 털어놓는데
Technically speaking, he's my husband. Long before you were born, he just can't remember. We were built in twos, okay? We're drawn
What are
to...
you saying? Are you saying that you two are fated to be together?
People get to choose.
And you chose to think I was here alone.
Didn't think you'd miss what you didn't remember. Didn't plan for this.
모두가 복잡해진 이 상황. 행콕은 오랜만에 술을 찾게 되고 그런데 이곳엔 강도들이 숨어 있었죠.
What?
I'm taking the money.
I can relate to that. But can you take it?
손쉽게 강도를 처리했지만 어째서인지 총알에 맞고 상처를 입게 됩니다.
What's happening?
Hancock is in serious condition with multiple gunshots.
Special ammunition was used in the gun that shot him.
Could this woman be more powerful than him?
그 시각 메리가 행콕을 찾아왔고
You're becoming mortal. It's us being close to each other. Get from me, the better you're gonna feel. You'll start getting your powers. Close to our opposites, we lose our power.
What happened to us 80 years ago?
And a new movie was playing in town.
Frankenstein.
And they attacked us in an alley. There was so much blood. By the time I got to the hospital, you were awake, but you didn't know me. So they come after you through me. They're built to save. You're a hero. Keep one alive. You to protect this world.
그 순간
Stay down! Mary! Stop!
But it is time for you to move on.
Superhero.
그런데 그 순간 메리의 심장이 멈춰버렸고 행콕에게는 단 하나의 선택지만이 남아 있었습니다. 최대한 그녀와 멀어지는 것. 행콕이 떠나자 메리의 능력이 돌아오게 되죠.
What about a tale of the hunt?
Completely cross-eyed.
메리가 실제 만난 사람의 이야기를 들으며 일상으로 돌아온 레인의 가족. 잠시 후 행콕에게 전화가 걸려오고
Are you outside?
Yeah.
Look up. You're gonna change the world. Good job, Ray.
Hancock.
I get in trouble for that?
알코올 중독의 사고뭉치 히어로의 개과천선 이야기. 영화 핸콕이었습니다. 에티오피아 협곡에서 임무를 수행 중인 스나이퍼들.
Movement. 2 men.
They're not on anybody's side. We don't have to shoot them.
No one can track you through the water except the fish. Sarah's headed off to nursing school next week.
This is TS-129, over. Friendly forces moving towards extraction point. Forces approaching TS-129 at their 12 o'clock.
Range at 870 yards and closing.
On target.
Command post, this is Viper. Hostile threat down, over.
그렇게 무사히 임무가 끝난 줄 알았으나
Larger hostile forces approaching your sector Bravo. Viper, enemy forces have been stopped. Indirect fire from hostile troops.
Shut it down. They trained men 8 kilometers inside a country. Let's go!
그런데 상부에서는 이들을 가차없이 버려버렸고
The conflict's dead. Left us here. Don't worry, we're getting home.
결국 동료 도니가 당하고 말았습니다. 스웨거는 복수를 위해 헬리콥터와의 전투를 시작했고 뛰어난 저격 실력으로 헬리콥터를 격추하는 데 성공하죠. 시간이 흘러 미국으로 돌아온 스웨거는 산속 깊은 곳에서 조용히 지내고 있었습니다.
Come on, boy! Come on, Sam!
Good boy. Good boy. Let's see what lies they're trying to sell us today.
그렇게 스웨거가 평화롭게 지내는 동안
Gunnery Sergeant Bob Lee Swanger
Went in unfriendly territory on a loadout and left his best friend and spotter was killed.
한편 CIA에서는 스웨거에 대해 논의 중이었는데
Grows and shoots his own food. Some people don't know what to do when their belief system collapses.
You sure, boy?
이어 존슨 대령은 스웨거를 직접 찾아왔습니다.
You guys turn around and go back to wherever you came from.
Come a long way to see you. We have some business needs your attention.
Slow draw you got there. Sure you want to do that?
Take your hand off your weapon, Sergeant. Doesn't have to bury you in the heel. Give me 5 minutes.
Yeah, your dog stays outside.
I need you to plan a presidential assassination. It's going to be an attempt on the life of the president in the next. The president has 3 public engagements.
부탁하는 내용은 저격의 예상 위치를 파악해달라는 것이었고
I'm not entirely convinced that a shot like this could...
You know what it takes to make a shot at that range? There's 6 to 10 second flight time, so you have to shoot it where the target's going to be. I believe there's a shooter involved capable. You got a real problem. You need to find the shooter. Like the president much. Didn't like the one before that much.
I believe he stood before a flag. I don't want you to turn on the TV next week. The president dead.
비록 버림받았더라도 그의 안에는 애국심이 여전히 남아있었고
Is that the new one? The truck? 8-liter V8. You mind? We'll take a picture.
Someone will be at this number night or day.
You see what he did? He didn't need a photo of the engine. Backed up far enough to take a picture of the plate.
Just doesn't know it yet.
(3년) 만에 총을 꺼내든 스웨거. 오랜만의 임무에 사실 조금은 흥분되고 있는 스웨거였죠.
Be able to tough it out without me for a couple days.
그는 새 장소에 대한 답사를 시작했고
Out of the 3 cities, there's only one with a reasonably high chance.
최적의 장소로 필라델피아를 지목했습니다.
It's 1 of 6 possible locations, approximately 5 stories above the president. Shot requires a large caliber weapon. Expect the bullet to be handmade.
You can kill him from that far away.
Challenge is the wind. He's going to need indicators between the podium and the shooting.
Impressive recon and report, son. We'll have 6 3-man teams standing by on the day.
Look,
listen, I could use a spotter.
결국 그는 현장에도 직접 나서 도움을 주기로 결정했고 얼마 후 디데이가 되었습니다.
President speaks in 20 minutes. Notify our teams.
Stand by. Yes, I have a clear line of sight.
All clear. There's really nothing going on here.
These are great times.
Yellow ribbons, the windage flags. Rough location, how to put him in for a shot from the steeple.
Right before the shot is taken, when his focus is elsewhere.
Flight has arrived.
Timmons, a local resource. Real honor to meet you.
You weren't snapped, officer. Shit. Got our guy in the collar?
The Archbishop of Ethiopia. The president speaks next.
Got wind at 3, full value.
드디어 대통령의 연설이 시작되며 긴장감이 극도로 높아졌고
He's loaded. Altitude, humidity, temperature. You gotta take him.
Send in the ERT team. Take out the steam.
그런데 갑자기 경관은 스웨거를 공격했죠.
Flashlight down.
How could you fucking miss?
어째서인지 CIA는 처음부터 스웨거를 제거할 목적이었고 심지어 그가 저격을 한 것처럼 현장을 조작해버리니 상황을 모르는 FBI가 스웨거를 쫓기 시작합니다.
Hey, shot me. FBI, put your hands up. Give me your keys. I didn't shoot the president. Simmons was a setup.
CP-17, can you repeat possible suspect?
그런데 이번 저격의 희생자는 대통령이 아니라 대주교였고
About fleeing and stolen FBI vehicle.
Be advised that the suspect is Fish 419. I'm heading south on James David Evans. Over.
그는 세차장에서 필요한 응급조치를 하는데
Wait, so unless he can stop the bleeding without going to the hospital or a doctor.
하지만 그 사이 이미 추격이 따라붙어 있었죠.
I want the banks of this river lined for 30 miles.
As the net begins to tighten nationwide, there is still no...
was assaulted and disarmed by Swagger.
You have embarrassed this office.
Force Recon, Marine Scout Sniper disarmed me 3 weeks out of the academy. Why did he say he didn't shoot the president? Also, he said Timmons was a setup.
Given your official statement yet, because I would be very cautious.
바꾼 차량으로 겨우 탈출에 성공한 스웨거. 그는 한 가게에 들렀고
Can't sell you nothing. Just lost our
Please,
power.
all I need is a marinade needle, some salt, some sugar.
가게의 전기를 끊고 응급처치에 필요한 물품들을 구입합니다.
The Wind River range of Wyoming, as no sign of Swagger has been found.
처음부터 모든 게 계획되었던 것이었고
She thinks it was him, but it was dark because the power was out in the store.
But what's with the sugar?
Sugar's been used to treat battlefield wounds.
한편 FBI 요원 닉은 이번 사건의 이상함을 느끼고 있었죠. 스웨거는 동료였던 도니의 아내 사라를 만나러 왔고
You're Bob Lee, Swagger, Donnie's old partner.
Look, you're a nurse, right?
No, that was Donnie's dream. I couldn't.
Please. I didn't do whatever they said I did. You still figure on shooting me? That shotgun's a little long to bring up fast.
Pull the truck in the garage. The neighbors will be up in a minute.
다행히 사라가 스웨거를 돕기로 결정했죠.
Should have come and seen you in person.
Yeah, I read the letter. And once a year, I got the flowers. Well, aren't you? So how is it I'm supposed to help you?
You can do a running cross stitch. You gotta try to spread it out. It's gonna look odd you buy it all up.
You never left.
Everyone keeps telling me I'm crazy.
한편 닉은 밤새 조사해보니 이번 사건이 더욱 이상하다 확신했고
Ballistics diagram got here 22 minutes after the shooting. How did they get a reverse azimuth 10 minutes after that?
이어 스웨거의 과거 사격 대회에 대해 언급하는데
5 shots, an inch and a half spread, an inch and a half. That's the flag behind the president. Does a man who do that miss by 2.5 feet? You know, I saw Timmons interviewed. He said he was walking foot patrol. No sniper sticks his rifle out of a window. I'm gonna talk to Timmons.
No, you're not. Timmons was killed by a mugger in an
In a
alley.
conspiracy, all loose ends are trimmed.
I stopped the bleeding temporarily. Cut out and scrub away anything that's dead. You ready for this?
2.5 days, shot twice, no sign. Tear apart his life again.
Okay.
Something I need to tell you. Ralphie's dead.
심지어 스웨거의 하나뿐인 가족인 강아지까지 죽인 그들.
It's a good dog. I raised it from a pup.
What are you gonna do?
Burn their playhouse down.
그 시간에도 닉은 혼자 조사를 이어나가고 있었는데
I mean to ask you. You have a boyfriend? Just wonder if I'm gonna have to shoot somebody who walks through that door without knocking.
Nothing steady, no boyfriend.
Not bad. You know you would have made one hell of a nurse. It's really brave what you did. I better get to it. In the meantime, they need someone else to find and give them him.
사라는 복수를 준비하는 스웨거를 적극적으로 도와주었고
The gun Donnie learned to hunt with when he was a kid.
Sure.
Yeah. Why'd you go?
You know which buttons to press. I'll sit up in my chair and say which way you want me to go. Yeah, I got a plan. I'm gonna need your help.
I'll do it.
Look, it was my fault. You know, with Donnie, I should never.
Don't you try and take that away from me. He loved what he did. No one made him do it.
I'm sorry, I tried.
다음날 사라는 닉에게 접근했고
You know what that is? Well, he's been staying with me.
Who's been staying with you? Bob Lee Swagger?
The plates are probably fake. Pretty sure the other number's real. You're gonna sit real still until I'm long gone.
그런데 주변에 있던 경찰이 스웨거를 발견했고
Excuse me, sir. Can I see some ID, please? Sir, I'm gonna need you to take off your hat. Take your hat off, asshole!
무사히 탈출에 성공합니다. 사무실로 돌아온 닉은 전달받은 차량의 고유 번호를 조회해보는데 자신의 권한으로는 불가능했고 결국 선배를 찾아가 도움을 요청해봅니다.
I think that CNN got the tapes already edited together to show.
선배 또한 닉의 이야기를 듣고 이 사건을 조심히 알아보고 있었죠.
The A6 job comes with Delta clearance.
하지만 닉의 움직임이 CIA에게 포착되었고
This is a Delta level clearance request out of the FBI field office in Philadelphia. There's only one guy who met with Swagger before he disappeared.
Hey!
Memphis.
For a man who didn't know much, you sure took a long.
결국 그는 붙잡혀 죽을 위기에 처하게 됩니다.
Flush them drugs out of your system full of the same shit the agents.
You were a real touching suicide note too. Quit your struggling.
그런데 어디선가 저격이 날아오기 시작했고 그자의 정체는 바로 스웨거였습니다. 여기까지 모두 닉을 미끼로 이용한 스웨거의 계획이었고
You shut me up, you used me as bait!
Flushed him out, didn't it?
Prove it, you didn't shoot the Archbishop.
I don't think you
In
understand.
the end, the law is up.
In the end, the law will never catch and hold. You sure as hell I mean to see it through. So you get it straight. You in or you out.
I'll take his legs.
It's a good call, Pork.
Distance of about 200 yards.
Swagger's alive.
Nick Memphis hasn't come back to the office.
I just went over Swagger's financials again. Donnie Fenn's widow. Anniversary of his death.
그런데 이번엔 사라가 CIA에 노출되어 버리고 맙니다.
What are you waiting for? Take the jet.
그 시각 닉과 함께 스웨거는 어디론가 향하고 있었는데
I think we're here. Hey, who is this guy?
This guy was the greatest gunsmith east of the Mississippi.
You boys come a long way. What you looking for?
Wisdom. That man wanted to fire a bullet from one rifle and have it match exactly to another. Could that be done?
Kind of thing ain't been done in a long time, though. Look on your left there. Second shelf down there 15 years ago. Don't figure it's moved since then. Paper patching. Screws would match. Paper unwinds at the muzzle.
I was looking for a man to make a 2200 yard. Was alive that could do that.
Said the guy's name was Bob Lee Swagger.
Somebody other than him?
There was one guy. He don't shoot no more. The other side wanted him. Bad. They quit the subtle tactic. Called in an artillery strike. Some say he crawled out of it. Some say he died.
Met the son of a bitch.
그런데 이번에 대통령 암살 수비 작전을 돕던 중에 스웨거는 이번 사건에서 실제로 저격을 했던 자를 만났었던 것이 떠오르죠.
Hey, it's me, Nick.
Do you have any idea?
I need you to find someone, Michaela Serbiak.
Swagger is gonna go with what he knows. He'll try to track you. Sometimes to catch a wolf, you need to tie the bait to a tree.
And what happens to the bait?
Hard to say, but that's the nature of being the bait.
Hey, it's Nick. Did you find him?
He's in Virginia.
Swagger is still alive.
Oh my. Do kill him. Good night, Senator.
한편 혼자 있던 사라에게 CIA의 사람들이 왔고
Hello? Someone there?
그녀는 불길한 기운을 감지합니다.
I don't want you to hurt yourself. Where's your boyfriend?
사라의 상황을 모른 채 미케일로와의 전투를 준비 중인 스웨거.
You got your list, right?
Yeah.
All right, you make sure you stick to it.
Napalm on the first 4, pipe bombs on the rest of them. Keep shooting, don't let anything distract you. Didn't I say don't let anything distract you?
You got 3 guards. Danger close, 2 o'clock, 50 yards.
빠르게 첫 번째 경호원을 제거했고
You got one right on you. 20 yards and closing.
경호원들을 하나하나 제거해가며 폭탄을 준비해둡니다.
Swagger, you got one above you in the roof.
마침내 미케일로를 만날 수 있었고
You killed all 3? I want Johnson's real name. I want to know who he works for.
그는 체념하듯 자신이 아는 정보를 스웨거에게 넘겼죠.
Johnson's had a lot of names. They came for me like they came for you. They like the wounded and then throw away.
The Archbishop?
Want to take all suspicions away when you shoot.
사실 그 작전은 처음부터 대주교를 사살하는 것이 목적이었는데
No matter how horrible, ever really happens without the.
What exactly happened in Africa?
미국은 송유관 건설을 반대한 아프리카 시민들을 학살했었고
They didn't ask. They just killed them.
이 사실을 은폐하기 위해 대주교까지 살해한 것이었습니다.
There is a mass grave, 400 bodies. You should know. You covered the retreats of the contractors.
Who runs Johnson?
Senator from Montana. There is no head to cut off. It's a conglomerate. The others betray him. You can't kill that with a gun.
대화 중 스웨거의 예상대로 CIA 병사들이 몰려왔고
Swagger, gotta get out of there. By the way, they've got your woman.
I'll go to hide too.
Roger that.
Reposition 2. Hold the pipe bombs outside on my call, okay? 2, 1.
Hit it! Hit the napalm!
You gotta bug out on my go behind that barn. You gotta gut it to that tree line. All right, go! Time to go!
See this weird shootout in Virginia?
이번 사태는 윗선에도 빠르게 전해졌죠.
I'm beginning to think that you were the wrong man for the job. Fuse soul that thinks that one man can. That's the hassle with democracy.
스웨거는 존슨이 직접 자신에게 전화할 수 있게끔 만들었고
Swagger?
Colonel Johnson here.
Figured you'd be listening.
I have something you want.
It seems so do I.
스웨거가 꺼내든 카드는 시신 400구가 묻어있다는 녹음 파일이었죠.
Where are we meeting?
Somewhere I can see you.
스웨거는 조건으로 의원까지 현장에 불러냈고
Well, I'm here.
He's here.
그런데 스웨거는 함정을 예상하고 닉을 먼저 보냈죠.
I think I broke a rib.
주변에 저격수들을 하나하나 제거해가는 스웨거.
Shoots me! Spasm kills her!
그 시각 FBI에는 하나의 택배가 도착하는데
Nice shooting, Gunny.
Yeah, you got what you came for. Why don't we think about all this that is? You have a rather unique skill set. I'd be interested. You might as well be on the side that gets you well paid for your.
You sanctioned the mass murder of an entire village so a pipeline could go.
That no one chops off their arm. They like us down there, boy. This is about freedom. It's not about oil. Because it's a lie. Are you on the inside or are you on the out?
It's the FBI!
I don't think so, Senator.
That proved you were innocent!
Nobody out here is the authorities. It's just gonna disappear along with us.
I'm just a peckerwood who lives in the hills with too many guns.
Shoot a sitting U.S. senator?
Let him go.
스웨거는 법이 이들을 심판할 것이라 생각하죠.
You can talk as much as you want, but in the end, you're gonna die by lethal. I won. You lost.
얼마 후 스웨거는 법무장관 앞에 오게 되었고
Hey, free my hands, please.
It's okay.
I'm sorry about everything.
It's not your fault. It is what it is.
Senator Meacham couldn't be with us today.
이곳에 의원은 없었고 존슨만이 있었습니다. 스웨거는 이곳에서 자신의 무죄를 증명해야 했고
This is my weapon. No question about it. Don't deny.
Was, however, an exact metallurgical match.
Special Agent Memphis, you believe I shot that Archbishop?
No, I don't.
Really trust me?
Yeah.
What the hell are you doing?
Put that weapon down.
Swapped all the firing pins before I left the house. I always do. Out of that bishop was fired from my weapon, but a week before at a can of stew. At the end of the day, when all the dust settles, you can't hide from the truth.
Nice presentation, but none of it sticks to me.
Just take a look at these. Showing a village of people in Africa.
This is in the Horn of Africa.
These events occurred in another country outside of our laws. Have the jurisdiction to detain the colonel for crimes he may or may not have.
Again.
무죄를 증명했으나 존슨에게 법의 심판을 내리지 못했습니다.
For the record, I don't like the way this turned out anymore. Justice does not always prevail. Bobley Swagger, you're free to go.
I said that's quite a shot, Senator. In the face. You should have seen the look on the Attorney General's face.
법의 심판을 피한 의원과 존슨.
You're gonna be out of the country in the morning. Going to Equest, did you?
하지만 이들에게 스웨거가 벌을 내리기 시작합니다.
He's under the floor!
United States Senator.
여기까지 영화 더블 타겟이었습니다.